Microsoft is ending support for Windows 10 operating systems. So let's talk about what this means and how it affects your digital signage. Hi there, Joe from Signagelive here, and yes, you heard me correctly. In October 2025, Microsoft will end support for Windows 10 operating systems. And unless your device has the relevant chip that allows you to upgrade to Windows 11, you will be stuck on unsupported hardware, or will you? Enter Chrome OS Flex. It's been around for a couple of years, and essentially it allows you to breathe new life into old hardware by installing the Chrome OS operating system. What's cool about this is that you can run it on most Windows, Mac and Linux devices made in the past 10 years. Also, it's free. What's even cooler is that you can run Signagelive on Chrome OS Flex devices too. Turning your machine into a Chrome OS device also provides the added benefit of being able to remotely set up and manage your devices via the cloud-based Google Admin Console. This also allows you to enforce policies on your devices, providing you with granular control over your device's settings and behaviour. This is also a means of deploying applications such as Signagelive to your devices, as well as managing and updating firmware and getting insights into device health and status reports. And for those in quick service restaurants or retail environments, you'll also be happy to know that you can enable kiosk mode for your Chrome OS Flex for tamper-proof operation. But let's fast forward a bit. Imagine you've updated to Chrome OS Flex and you've installed Signagelive on your device. What can the Signagelive Chrome OS client actually do? At a high level, it's one of our most versatile clients that we offer here at Signagelive, which makes it suitable for smaller digital signage projects. Equally, if you're managing a large fleet of players for your more demanding digital signage ventures, then using Signagelive in conjunction with the Google Admin Console will provide you with an incredible and scalable solution for centralized management and control. You also have access to multi-zone video support, versatile media playback, supporting full screen and multi-zone layouts, as well as both landscape and portrait orientations. It can play various types of media, including high-resolution 4K video and common file types such as JPEG, PNG, MP4, MOV, M4V, and so on. If you have a touchscreen display like I do here that is also supported by Chrome OS Flex, then you can reap the benefits of this as well with the ability to enable interactive kiosk mode. And as you can see here, now that I've interacted with the screen, we've now loaded up our website. The moment I stop interacting with the screen, after it reaches a certain amount of time, this player will fall back to the default content that was playing on the device. Our new screen takeovers feature will also be supported on Chrome OS when this releases too, allowing you to have multiple players perform in and out of sync at a frequency of your choosing. Our Chrome OS Flex client also supports web triggers, which allows you to instantly change content in real time from anywhere in the world at a press of a button, like so. So as you can see here, the screen is now triggered based on a button press that I have made here, and whenever I want to switch this content back to the default content or to a different schedule, I can just press a different button and it will happen like so. This is the perfect solution for emergency messaging, event updates, corporate comms, and retail promotions, for example. You can also monitor the performance of your content using Proof of Play, which is a Signagelive feature which will tell you exactly how many impressions your content has had, what devices these impressions are coming from, and how many times an asset has played too. So as you can see, Chrome OS Flex combined with Signagelive offers a powerful solution for your digital signage needs, especially when Windows 10 support eventually ends. This combination extends the life of your existing hardware and provides robust features for content management, interactivity, and remote control. Whether you're running a small-scale operation or managing a large fleet of displays, this solution offers flexibility, security, and scalability that you need. Plus, with features like web triggers, screen takeovers, and Proof of Play, you get a comprehensive digital signage platform that can adapt to various use cases and environments. Don't let the end of Windows 10 support hold your digital signage strategy back. Visit our website or contact our support team to learn more about how you can make this transition smoothly and effectively. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our Help Center for more information on Chrome OS Flex and Signagelive. And with that, I'll see you on the next one.